Hey everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Today I'm bringing you a money-saving tip so you won't need to spend on medications from the pharmacy anymore. Stay tuned until the end of the video to catch this great tip. You'll need bay leaves for this. You can use them dried or fresh. If you have a bay tree, just take 10 bay leaves. If not, you can buy dried bay leaves from any health food store. Next, grab a container and some scissors. Cut about 10 bay leaves into small pieces. I'll show you how. You just take the leaves and cut them like this. And by the way, if you enjoy content like this natural remedies, plant-based recipes, or medicinal herbs, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you won't miss any future videos from the Crazy Plants channel. Now let's continue. You don't need to worry about using whole leaves. Cutting them into small pieces will work just fine. Once they're chopped, we'll move on to the next step. Now you'll need about 200 ml of warm water. Pour it into a pot, then add the bay leaves. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. As it boils, the water will change color slightly. That's normal. It's just the properties of the bay leaves being released into the water. After boiling for 10 minutes, strain the mixture to remove the leaves. We're only going to use the liquid. Now let it cool down. Once it's cool, you can start using this remedy to eliminate labyrinthitis and tinnitus ringing in the ears once and for all. It's very simple. Take a small piece of cotton, roll it up like this, and dip it into the solution. Squeeze out the excess. You can use gloves if you prefer, but I'm just demonstrating here. Give it a try. I'm confident that if you have labyrinthitis or tinnitus, this will be the ultimate solution for you. If it works, be sure to share it with your friends and family. If you found this helpful, please click the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our tips. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you in the next video. God bless, and goodbye.